Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my highly requested everyday makeup routine video. I get a lot of questions from my babes on here about how I achieve my clean girl aesthetic everyday makeup, and in this video I'll be showing you all the products I use and a detailed step-by-step process of this look, so keep watching. So this is my bare face. I love to do my brows before anything else. I have really thick and full brows. I use this brow gel from Dammel, Browmatic by Dammel. It's a clear gel and I use it with a spoolie brush. First, I remove any excess or leftover products from my eyebrows and then I brush up in an upward motion. Next, I apply the gel carefully on both brows and carefully just slick it back so that it's resting on my face. This helps in making it look natural and gives you an illusion of fullness. We're going to let that dry a bit, and next we're going to go in with powder. You can use any powder for this. I usually use a compact powder and just dab lightly on both brows so that it sets the gel. Next, you have to now start outlining your brows with a brow pencil carefully from the outer end to the upper part of your brows and just follow your natural brow curve. My brows are fully drawn here and you can see how full, feathery and fluffy it looks. Next, we're going to go in with concealer. I usually use this flat concealer brush and I use Pro Conceal in Fawn. Make sure you're using a concealer 2 shades lighter than your skin tone or foundation. Start by applying the concealer from the middle part of your brows to the outward part of your brows. Carefully line it and then blend it gently. Next, you go in with powder to just set the concealer already applied and make sure you're blending properly so there's no sign of concealer. This is my brows after. Next, I'm going in with my primer. I use a hydrating primer and then I use a mattifying primer. These are the primers I use. I have to apply primer all over my face and this just helps give a nice base, and once you've gotten like the base of your makeup, every other product you're applying on your face is just going to fall in place. Now we're going to let it dry down a bit and go in with the mattifying primer. Because I have oily skin, I usually sweat at certain areas of my face, so I always apply a mattifying primer to my T-zones, my forehead, my nose, my cheeks and my chin area, and this just helps me keep my foundation, concealer, every other product I'm going to apply in place. Like, your makeup is not going to move. Once you've applied your primer and let it dry down, you go in with your foundation. I love the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and my shade is 356 or warm coconut. Now we're going to apply foundation all over your face, but you're going to apply little or no foundation to your under eyes or on your forehead to avoid creasing. Now just blend in properly. I prefer to use a brush, but you can use a beauty blender, whichever one you're more comfortable with, and blend in everything so everything sits well. Next, we're going to go in with a fixing spray. This one is from Nuban Beauty and it just basically makes your makeup sink into your skin and lay down flat while you apply other products. Now we're going to use blush. I recently just started using liquid blush and I actually prefer it to using a cream blush, while I still love a powder blush any day, anytime. Now you're going to apply the blush to your cheekbones and blend it out properly with a beauty blender. Make sure your beauty blender is very soft and you're dabbing the product into your skin carefully. After that, I apply concealer to my under eyes. Now for me, less is more when you're trying to achieve an everyday look or a clean girl look. If you use too much product, it's going to give you more of a soft glam or party glam kind of look when you really just want a soft finish. So I also apply a darker shade of concealer to my chin, my forehead, the bridge of my nose. I'm always careful with this part because if you just shift, your nose is going to take another shape, and I carefully blend in all the products. To also contour my nose, I use this double blusher from Elsas Pro and I use the darker shade. I basically just outline the bridge of my nose on both sides and also the end of my nose, like the pointed edge of my nose. I apply the blusher there and I blend carefully, blend everything neatly because you want your nose looking defined, and that's basically the whole process of highlighting and contouring your nose. Next, you go in with a fixing spray, and I just want to note here that after every step of your makeup application, make sure you're using a fixing spray. Next, we're going to set the areas we've highlighted with a setting or baking powder. Now we're going to use very little amount. Like I said earlier, less is more when you're trying to achieve a clean girl everyday look. Once we do this, we're just going to let it sit in our skin and bake for a bit while we do our lip combo. Now this lip combo I'm going to show you is something I use almost every day. It just gives you the perfect pink nude lips. So we're using the lip definer from Hegai and Esther and two of my favorite shades of the lip glosses. First, you have to outline your lips carefully. Just follow the natural curve of your lips. Sometimes I like to overline my lips just to give it that plump, fuller look. But if you already have nice lips like this, you don't need any more of that. I also outline it over again with a lip pencil, a brown lip pencil, just to give it that extra definition. And before I finally apply the glosses, I quickly just blend out all of the powders I previously applied. The trick to, nude plump lips is to use less. Like I always say, use less. Two things: make sure you have a brown lip liner or lip pencil, and a lipstick, a nude lipstick that actually fits your lips or matches your skin shade. Once you find a perfect match, that is going to be your signature lips, and this is usually my signature lips. This is like so perfect. I love it. Most times I use this for all my lip combos you see on here. Lastly, we're going to go in with powder and basically just dust off all the excess makeup and blend it in together. After this, I use my mascara from Omaricode. It's called Eclipsa, and I love this mascara because it is volumizing and it makes my natural lashes look like I actually put artificial lashes. These days I try not to do a lot of artificial lashes. I love to use my natural lashes because I actually have full lashes, and this mascara just does it for me. I usually apply it to my upper and lower lashes just to give me the wide-eyed nerdy look that you always see on my page. Yes, that's it. So I finish up my look with a good amount of fixing spray because this is the final spray I'm going to use, and then I go in with my waterproof locking mist from Sooo Pro. This is so good if you want your makeup to sit tight all day, and that is how you achieve my signature clean girl everyday makeup look. I hope you loved this video. If you're not following me on my social media platforms, they're on the screen right now. Make sure you're subscribed, like this video, and turn on notifications so you do not miss my future uploads. I would love if you could give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below. All the products are linked in the description box, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.